Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5. Here we will explain a little about phonotactic syllable. Permission to introduce of myself. My name is Maggie John Effendi and my college Muhammad Faisal Al-Ghifari. Phonotactic syllable. Phonological rules are part of communication through language, whether spoken or written, and knowing what they are and why they exist can help us better understand our world. Syllable: a unit of linguistic structure that consists of a syllabic element and any segment that are associated with it. Syllables don't serve any meaning signaling function in language. They exist only to make speech easier for the brain to process. A word consists of at least one syllable. A syllable consists of a central peak, singularity, or usually of vowels, and the consonant cluster around the central peaks. For soup. Syllable units. Nucleus. A syllabic segment that forms the core of syllable. The nucleus is usually the vowels in the middle of a syllable. Generally, every syllable requires a nucleus, or sometimes called the peak, and the minimal syllable consists only of a nucleus, as in the English words I or O. The syllable nucleus is usually a vowels in the form of monophthong, diphthong, or triphthong, but sometimes is a syllabic consonant. Coda. Segments that follow the nucleus in the same syllabic. The coda, or also known as a sound, comprises the consonant sound of a syllable that follow the nucleus. The sequence of nucleus and coda is called a rhyme. Some syllables consist of only a nucleus, only an onset, and a nucleus with no coda, or only nucleus and coda with no onset. Rhyme: the nucleus and the coda of a syllable in a word. Onset: the beginning segments of the syllable, the ones preceding the nucleus. The onset, or also known as a sound, is the consonant sound or sounds at the beginning of a syllable, occurring before the nucleus. Most syllables have an onset. Syllables without an onset might be said to have a zero onset, that is, nothing where the onset would be. Part: onset. Descriptions: initial segment of a syllable. Optionality: optional. Part: nucleus. Central segment of a syllable. Optionality: obligatory. Part: coda. Description: closing segment a syllable. Optionality: optional. Phonotactics is the set of constraints on how sequence of segments patterns. There are rules on the number and type of segments that can combine to form syllable and words, which vary greatly from one language to language. Arabic. Every syllable must have an onset. Hawaiian. No codas are allowed. English. Onset and codas are allowed. Each language has some restrictions on the permissible content of slots in a syllable structure or noun as phonetic constraints. Initial consonant cluster in English containing a voiceless stop. The first, accidental gaps in a language inventory of form that correspond to non-occurring but possible form. The second, e.g. Kodak, Zen, Perestroika. The third, semantic gaps in the occurring syllable structure of a language that result from the exclusion of certain sequence. And the last, e.g. psychology, pterodactyl.
D. Setting up syllable. Link a vowel to an N above it by drawing an association line, then place an R above its N, above its R, place A, O, link an association line. For an example, as follows. 2. Link the consonant precede the nucleus to an O and join it in the same syllable as the vowel to the right. For an example, as follows. 3. Link the consonant after the N to a C above the A syllable with a coda is called a closed syllable. For an example, as follows. 4. Link the syllable which make up single form to a VD. For an example, as follows. E. Liquid and nasal as a syllable nucleus. The English liquids L and R and the nasal can be nucleus of the syllable under certain conditions. Can be a nucleus as easily as a vowel, e.g. beard, word, her, for, perceive, surname, mother, actor. A. And nasals M, N become nucleus when they follow an alveolar consonant in the last syllable of a word, e.g. bottle, bottom, button. F. Some phonological tactical rules. All phonological words must consist of at least one syllable and hence must contain at least one vowel. Sequence of repeated consonants are not possible. The filler N never occurs in onset of a syllable. The glottal fricative never occurs in the coda of a syllable. The affricate T and D and the glottal fricative H do not occur in a complex onset. If the first consonant in a two-consonant onset is not an S, the second consonant must be a liquid or glide. L, R, W, J.
Okay, that is all we can say. More or less, we apologize. We end. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.